Hey, it's Big Mike here, and today we're in Quartzite, Arizona at the Camel Stop, and this is one of the coolest car guys, man caves you've ever seen here. So hang in here while we show you around. You're gonna love it.
Family. Apparently one of them was doing concrete, and he signed his W.G. Scott and the date.
This was the first gas station, you said?
This is the first gas station.
Nice.
The next building is the first postal building built here.
Really?
Before that, if you wanted to mail, you had to go there. The stagecoaches were contracted to drop it out.
Really?
So museum.
Can I put you in my video? A little bit? All right, here, let me get a little. Actually, why don't you tell me a little bit about the station here anyway? Tell me about the station a little bit.
Station, the signpost in the station dates back to September of 32. It's the gas pumps naturally are a little newer. They're put out by Bowser. Bowser, I believe, quit making gas pumps somewhere out in the mid-50s. But these gas pumps went all the way up to $9.99.
Nice. So what's your name?
I'm Cal Peters.
Cal Peters. Hey, thank you very much there. If it's all right, can I walk around there a little bit? And
Absolutely.
we take a look. We love the history of the old stuff. Now, what was on the side of this? Mervin's. What was that?
Merwin, that is the family that owns it now.
Nice. Let me get a little view over here. That's a cool looking. So the station's owned by the Merwins?
Yeah, Ralph Merwin.
Or Merwin? Is that name?
Yeah.
Is that his first name?
Ralph is.
Oh, Ralph. No, all right, cool. And then this is the.
Yes, I see that signpost, but it's still about
Oh, yeah.
September 7th, 1932.
Very cool.
There's some more concrete work like that around the area that takes it back to.
Hey, I did want to let you know also, this is private. If you're lucky enough to meet one of the owners, maybe they'll let you take a look through it. But you can't come around and take photos out front and everything. So I just wanted to kind of let everybody know about that.
Let's see if I can get in the window here a little bit. Oh, there's cars in there.
See the inside of that.
Oh, I'd love to. Here, let me see. Hang on.
Back in.
There's a Chevron and then a Golf.
Yep, I'm gonna man this back to Chevron. Right over.
Get a little bit of it here. Yeah, I'll just cut one.
Go in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go through and do a view up top. Go ahead and talk and tell me about the place and the cars and the trucks.
Yeah, this is how just kind of a collection of his stuff here. Ralph and his dad built
Beautiful Ford.
the 31, the gray 31, and a 54 back there. They built for his granddad back when he was 16 years old. It's still here today.
That's way cool. This one's, what'd you say this one was?
That one's a 1931. It's got the slant window in the front. It's a resto mods. It's got an S10 chassis under it. It goes out, going down the road. Just anytime you want to go.
Nice. That's beautiful. Move this stuff here and
The
And then we got the Ford truck over there. What year is this? 50?
It's a 50. 1950.
Nice. Beautiful. Nice. And then we got one more over here.
This is Ralph.
Hey, Ralph.
Ralph is
Hey, it's all right.
made this happen.
Nice. Hey, say howdy, everybody. I'm Big Mike. Was this the photos and stuff? This is kind of
Some pictures that we found and put up there.
okay. Cool.
They fit in with the place, so we put them up.
Well, that works here. Let me just see what's in here real quick. I got a Dodge.
That's it.
Oh, wow. That's a big camper you got on there.
He's in here keeping him out of the sun and the weather.
I understand that. Well, awesome so much. I really appreciate letting me do that and just taking a look around. And yeah, I saw this place that I was at when I set up about 2 years ago. I have a place up here, and I have a store up in Seligman actually, but we're closed this time of year. But that's my card. See we got a YouTube channel on there and all sorts of stuff. Wow.
This car turns 100 and still
Really?
the 100 as well as beached.
The Pierce. Nice. No, that's what is that now?
It was a Jeep pickup and I cut it and stretched it.
Oh, okay.
While Cummins in it.
That's me. I got 3 of those. I'm actually putting one in well, we got one right now. I'm getting it rebuilt, a 96.
I've
got mine's a 96 crew cab long bed Ford 4x, and got 12 valve, getting that redone. The original guy who did it didn't do a great job on it, so wiring was kind of screwed up, and so I'm had it redone and gonna have that. And then I have two 96, a 96 and a 95 that.
Well, this has been in a couple decent magazines.
Really? Nice. Yeah, it's good. Gotta find the right guys to do that too. Or you guys do it yourself?
I did everything in here myself.
Wow, that's cool. Then tell me what the car, so we've got, that one was a what year was that one?
It's a 26 Pierce Arrow.
Pierce Arrow. And then what's this one?
41 Buick.
41 Buick.
This is a 41 Buick.
Another 41 convertible. Nice.
4-door convertible wheel. Factories.
Nice. And then got a Studebaker.
49 Studebakers.
That's it. That really came out nice.
And one of the quarters just a Chevy.
It's just a Chevy. Huh?
It's just a Chevy.
When you get all these other cars, it probably is just a Chevy by the time you get done with all the others. But that's still cool. Nice.
That's my wife's for me.
Sure. Very cool. Oh man. Let me just get a little. See if I make sure I don't run into anything. Okay, one more good view here. Well, I'll tell you what, I got something in my truck that'll go good with your collection I'm going to give you, so I'm going to help add to your collection here. Let's see. That's awesome. I love the custom. Like I said, that looks like it came out of the factory that way. You did a nice job on that. All right.